Introducing TxT-Rx, a new way for Allscripts clients to interact with their patient population. TxT-Rx allows for clients to collect or relay valuable information to patients through a merging of SMS relay and secure mobile internet connections. By doing so, real-time information that would otherwise be lost in follow-up is now able to be collected in an automated, HIPAA-compliant manner. In spite of efforts to objectify health into quantifiable measures, medicine is still a subjective science. The physician's most telling tool for efficacy of a new intervention is often the patient themselves. But drawing the line between cause and effect is often very challenging. Given the time lapse between an intervention and a follow-up visit, valuable information is lost. Patients are biased by hindsight, placebo effect, and fallacies in recall. Simply put, the data is degraded and medical decision-making is hindered by the time the patient returns for a follow-up visit. TxT-Rx has three main purposes. Number 1, to send patient reminders for aiding in compliance. Number 2, to collect data on outcomes of a medical decision or intervention. And number 3, to relay time-sensitive information to the patient or the provider. Via SMS or text messages, practices may prompt a patient who has recently undergone an intervention, such as starting a new medication or undergoing a procedure, with correlating messages at specific time intervals. For information not involving patient health data, such as appointment reminders, text messages are used. However, for HIPAA compliance, if a message requires relaying patient health information, then the patient is directed to a mobile web address via text. Mobile sites are compatible among the various mobile platforms, including Apple, Android, or Windows. Using Allscripts integrated customization menus, practices design messages that can be as simple as, "Will you make your set appointment time?" or as complex as involving a set of questions in a decision tree intended to gather information relevant to a medical decision. Patients can opt out of receiving these interactive messages at any time. TxT-Rx can also interface with other components of Allscripts. Non-urgent messages can be forwarded to the provider inbox for review. However, practices may also flag specific responses as critical and activate designated protocols, such as providing an emergency call number to the patient or notifying a staff member. Allscripts clients ultimately decide how the information is to be used. Dialogues between TxT-Rx and the patient can be saved to the patient chart or collected as an attachment intended for internal use. TxT-Rx is an innovative solution that integrates the speed and accessibility of mobile text messaging, along with tools for more complex data collection in a HIPAA-compliant manner. With this Allscripts integrated application, TxT-Rx can help improve both the quality of patient compliance and medical decision-making.